Your home's water might look clean, but what's lurking beneath the surface? Hard water, chlorine, and even harmful contaminants could be affecting your family's health and the lifespan of your appliances. Imagine turning on the tap and knowing every drop is pure, fresh, and safe. That's the promise of a water filtration system, and today, we're diving into why it's a game changer for your home. First, let's talk about health. Your tap water can carry impurities that aren't visible to the naked eye. Chemicals like chlorine, heavy metals, and even bacteria can make their way into your home's water supply. A water filtration system acts as your home's first line of defense, delivering crystal clear water for drinking, cooking, and bathing. Say goodbye to bottled water runs and hello to confidence in what you're serving your family. But it's not just about health. Have you noticed your faucets or shower heads developing a crusty buildup? That's hard water at work, and it's costing you. Mineral deposits can clog pipes, reduce the efficiency of your appliances, and even leave your skin and hair feeling dry. With a water filtration system, you'll enjoy softer water that's easier on your plumbing, appliances, and even your wallet. Let's not forget the environmental benefits. By investing in water filtration, you're reducing reliance on single-use plastic bottles. It's a small change that can make a big difference for the planet while saving you money in the long run. At Anthem Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, we're proud to offer cutting-edge water filtration solutions tailored to your home's unique needs. Our experts will ensure you get the right system to enjoy cleaner water, better health, and peace of mind. Don't wait to transform your home's water quality. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your free consultation. Your family deserves the best, and it all starts with the water they use every day. Clean water is just a call away. Make the switch today.